Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to TechGalore. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 10 most asked questions about artificial intelligence. So, whether you're a curious beginner or a tech lover trying to keep up with all the buzzwords, this video is made just for you. So, let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, let's start with the basics. Artificial intelligence, or AI. This refers to machines or computer systems that are designed to act like humans, specifically in the way that they think, learn, and make decisions. So imagine you're talking to Siri or Alexa. They're listening, understanding what you're saying, and giving you a response. That's pretty much AI in action. Here is the key. AI systems try to mimic human intelligence. They can do things like understand human language, recognize faces in photos, solve problems, make decisions based on data. In short, it's like giving thinking power to a computer, but without emotions or conscious yet. There are 3 levels of AI, and they get more advanced as we go up. We have narrow AI, which is the AI we use today. Is good at doing one specific task. Some examples are Netflix recommendations, Google Maps giving direction, voice assistants answering questions. It's smart, but only in one lane. We have general AI. This is more theoretical for now. It would be a machine that can do everything a human can do, which is reason, learn, adapt, and understand emotions. But we're not there yet. We have super intelligent AI. This goes beyond human intelligence. It would think faster, deeper, and make better decisions than any human. It's pretty much sci-fi for now, but some experts believe we could see it sometime in our lifetime. Machine learning, or ML, is a subset of AI. If AI is the whole cake, machine learning is one slice. Here is how it works. Let's say you feed a computer 10,000 photos of cats and dogs. Over time, it learns the difference between the two without being told the rules. The machine learning, it learns from data. It also gets smarter over time. For example, your email spam filter, it learns that spam looks like based on it learns what spam look like based on what you delete. YouTube recommendations, they improve as the algorithm watches what you click on. That's ML, machine learning, which is AI that improves automatically through experience. You might be surprised how many places AI is already a part of your life. Some examples are we have healthcare, finance, transportation, retail. In healthcare, AI help a doctor to detect diseases earlier and personalize your treatment plans. In finance, it catches fraud, automates trading, and even gives you budget advice via apps. We have transportation, which is self-driving cars used by AI to see the road, detect obstacles, and make real-time decision. We have retail, in case you ever wonder how Amazon knows what you want to buy. That's AI predicting your next move. In short, AI is pretty much everywhere, and it's only going to grow. That brings us to the ethical concerns. For now, let's talk about some of the risks and concern. The bias. If the data AI learns from is biased, it can make unfair decisions. Example, if you're using a hiring algorithm and was trained on biased hiring practices, it may favor a certain groups over others. Privacy concern. AI often needs huge amount of data, but where is that data coming from? Are we giving away too much info without realizing it? We have jobs. Some fear that AI might be taking over jobs, especially the repetitive or manual ones. We also have accountability. If an AI powered car crashes, who's at fault? The programmer, the car company? These questions doesn't have a clear answer as yet. Can AI surpass human intelligence? In the short answer, I would say not yet, but maybe someday. AI can already beat world champions at chess, write articles, drive cars, but it still lacks true understanding. It doesn't feel emotion, it doesn't have values, it doesn't really know what it's doing. A dream or fear is sometimes called AGI, artificial general intelligence. That's AI as smart as a human or even smarter. Right now, it's just research and speculation, but we're getting closer every year. AI is changing the job market in three big ways: automating routine tasks, displacing some jobs, and creating new careers as well. When it comes to automating routine tasks, repetitive jobs such as data entry, sorting documents are getting automated. Some roles, especially manual or predictable ones, may disappear. AI is also creating brand new roles in machine learning, robotics, and AI ethics. These are also high paying jobs and high demanding jobs. The impact depends on the industry. Tech and healthcare, Tech and healthcare will likely grow. Manufacturing or transport could face some type of disruptions. What is deep learning? Deep learning is like the brain of modern AI. It uses neural networks structured inspired by the human brain to solve problems. It's super useful in image recognition, such as when people tag you in photos on Facebook, speech processing, which is used when sometimes people transcribe audio to text, natural language, which is like understanding what you mean when you say what's the weather like. Deep learning is machine learning from a massive data and incredible accuracy. What is natural language processing? NLP lets machine understand, interpret, and even respond in human language. It powers Siri, Alexa, chatbots, and website language translation tools. The goal is to make talking to machine as easy as texting a friend, and thanks to NLP, we're almost there. How is responsible AI ensured? Tech companies are now focused on building responsible AI that's fair, transparent, and accountable. Companies like Microsoft, Google have published AI ethics guidelines. At the same time, governments are writing laws to protect user data and prevent abuse. The goal is to build AI that helps society and not harms it. So before we wrap things up, let's hit a quick recap so everything sticks. AI is all about smart machines that think and act like humans, from solving problems to making decisions. There are three types of AI. We have narrow AI, which focus on one task, like Siri and Netflix. We have general AI, which human level intelligence. We have super AI, which is way beyond our human capability, which is pretty much a sci-fi goal for now. Machine learning is a type of AI that lets computer learn by themselves through data, like a student that gets better the more it studies without needing instructions. Where do we see AI? Pretty much everywhere, such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and also retail. Chances are you already interacted with AI today without even realizing it. And of course, we can't ignore the big concern. Is it fair? Does it respect privacy? What about job loss? And who takes the blame when AI messed up? These are the conversations shaping how AI evolves in the real world. And that's a wrap on the top 10 questions about AI answered in plain English. What question surprised you the most? What do you want to learn next? Let me know down below in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another tech breakdown. This is TechGalore, where future tech meets real talk. We'll see you in the next one.